Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the innovative 5-tier rotating bookshelf, a 360-degree display stackable spinning bookshelf tower that's perfect for any corner of your home. This tall, floor-standing swivel bookcase is not only a narrow storage organizer for your bedroom or living room but also a piece of art with its unique round design that prevents accidental bumps on the edges. Crafted from thickened P2 MDF boards and a sturdy metal frame, each tier is divided into 4 compartments, ensuring your books and displays are organized and secure. With its space-saving design, this bookshelf makes full use of vertical space, holding up to 100 medium-sized books, and measuring 17.71 inches in diameter and 62.99 inches in height. Assembly is a breeze, as you can customize it into a 1 to 5 layer shelf with adjustable heights, and it comes with step-by-step instructions and marked tool parts, allowing you to set it up in just 30 minutes. Plus, with a lifetime quality guarantee, you can rest assured knowing that Allstand has your back, offering 24/7 customer service for any questions or concerns. So, if you're looking to add both functionality and style to your home, this rotating bookshelf might just be the perfect addition.